Hello all, again welcome to the very interesting lecture. So today we will see the project setup. We have understood the problem statement. We have understood the solution of the problem. Now let's build a project. But you cannot build a project in one go. Let's go step by step. So in order to build any industry level projects, the first thing is that I told you is like go to Google Colab, train model. This is the one way, the very decent way and clean way to make the project. But as you level up your seniority, people will expect you to build some more classic level project where it will handle everything. Then how will you make that projects? That is why in the very step one, after like completing this project theory lecture, when I come into the project implementation part, the first step is that we will choose an IDE. Okay, IDE is an environment which provides every tool related to make your projects. So there are many IDE available in the market. I will tell you how to download these things, right? I will like try to provide every in detail way of using the IDE, how to set up the IDE. So this is our phase one. From now, this is just a phase one that we will be first working with the IDE. We will be setting up everything, that how to set up the project before making the project, how to create a project environment. Okay, so this is our phase one. What is our phase two? Our phase two is that we will be installing and set up the Python environment into our IDE, because we will be making the entire project in this IDE, either VS Code, either Cursor or either anti-gravity. So these are the like a very used terms, right? In any MNCs, in any normal project structure, the industry level projects. This is the tool where people are working in. Okay, so we will be using these tools. Then in the second phase, we will be setting up the environment into these tools so that you have everything related to your machine learning projects. In the phase 3 part, we handle it very significantly in the previous also. We will do exact same thing. Loading the data, exploring, saving, cleaning, choosing, training, testing model. We are going to understand the project API part as well, that how to create an API, how to test this API, everything in detail, but step by step, not in one lecture. Then at the very end, once you complete your project section, you are able to create a project structure like this, like a super pro ML engineer, like the advanced ML engineer. You will able to make the project like this. I am just here to guide you, and you will be so confident that you will going to understand the entire projects, writing it in modular fashion, writing it in file, writing the production ready structure based. So whatever the things that you have watched till now, others working in these things, and you were getting kind of scared that how will you understand everything, here I am to help you to make and build the projects like the productions. Okay, so we'll go step by step. This is our like the golden rule of the projects. We will going to understand the download, the IDE, then we will install and set up the Python environment. Then we will start continuing making our projects. So keep your excitement very high. In the upcoming set of videos, I will be showing you each and every phases one by one. Thank you.